We're eating tacos here.
Yeah.
And we have some salsa.
Yeah.
Ew. Sharon Barber. Okay, if you don't want it, I respect that, but I like it. I'm so sorry. Okay. There you go. Okay, here. I don't like two. Mmm. They have this pepper. Mmm. Good. Careful, not careful. This is corn taco.
This is corn cheese.
Mmm.
This is Mom. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Hi, Brazil. What's that? It's chips.
Chips. It is funny.
Hi, Walita Silva de Arujo from Brazil. Hello, hello. Kelly Harris, but nationally I'm from Philippines, but I live here in USA. I'm eating tacos. Usually I cook dinner, but today I'm lazy. I have my beans here, like I don't know, but it's not. I'm not a fan of these beans. I have my rice and this pepper. And let's eat.
Let's go eat.
Where's the lime? This tacos is not the regular tacos that you have cheese on it. This is like I don't know what kind, but I like it. They have grilled onion. Hi, Kelly Harris. I don't know what is pigeon peas, but I have this rice and beans with, I think, some milk. Is that a milk or cheese? Just came out from work and then, thank you. Yeah, he's adorable. Thank you. He's a little bit sick today, but he's getting better.
What? Dad, let's go today.
They have two tacos in one. Oh, three. One. Well, it's two. Two layer of tacos and taco shell. I don't too much shell. Thank you, Kelly Harris, for subscribing to us. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The pepper is not so hot. Here, the second one. We're on the second now.
I want more chips. I'm gonna beat you.
Okay.
That's my game. Outside. This I eating. I hear something. It's all a car.
A car, yeah. It's on the highway. Here, it's our next tacos.
I just got it